Hello, woof, woof. I am Alan's dog and you probably know me by now. If you do not know me by now, you can write your apologies below and all will be forgiven. If you do not write an apology, you will get a right biting. Today we are going to look at this future crash victim, the Van Ti from NAS. It is based on the Fiat Ducato. This van has a large bathroom, twin beds over 2 meters long on both sides, a large seating area, a wide body door and easily accessible gas cylinder box. NAS has completely redeveloped this van for 2021. The manufacturer says that it has focused on functionality, quality, design and innovative technology. The result is a semi-integrated motorhome that is larger on the inside than on the outside. That is what NAS says. They claim to have almost 10 centimeters more space inside without increasing the vehicle's external length. This is due to the fold-expand manufacturing process. NAS has given a long-winded explanation of this, but what it means is that there is a flat wall at the back and the rear lights are placed in it. There is not a big bump protruding out the back as there was before. That makes sense as it keeps the same footprint whilst having more space inside for your dog. The interior of the two floor plans, 550 mf and 650 meg, is designed in bright tones. Furniture with cross-laminated wood and light offset decor is matched by curtains in a discreet pattern. The upholstery of the seating group can be in various materials such as imitation leather or microfiber and structured fabric in contrasting colors. Optional active fabrics and a real leather version can also be ordered. The seating belt trestle is covered by the upholstery and thus is not immediately visible. The 2021 version of the Van Ti has a seating area which is 12 centimeters larger than in previous years. The manufacturer has also provided the backrest upholstery with more volume, and an ergonomically curved lumbar support is designed to improve seating comfort. The 650 meg floor plan optionally includes a narrow lateral seat leg as well as a freestanding table. A side seat provides an extra uncomfortable space at the dining table at the same time as getting in your dog's way. The kitchen has a worktop extension which will come in handy when opening cans of premium dog food. The 650 meg has a compartment that fits a coffee machine, including a capsule holder, although this space, in the opinion of the leading motorhome experts, would be better used for storing premium dog food and premium dog treats. The bathroom has a swivel wall in the larger of the two floor plans. When not in use, the shower column is hidden behind the pivoting wall. My owner does not like this because he says he cannot see himself when he shaves, but I can't see the point of shaving. Dogs don't shave and they get along just fine. If he stopped shaving, he could have hair all over his body, just like me. I bet the lasses would appreciate that. Maybe he would grow a tail as well to add to the effect. So back to the washroom in this van. There is a cupboard to store towels and other washroom materials, but one thing you won't need is things to wash your dog with. Dogs do not need to be washed. They are always clean. Except the dirty ones, that is, but I am not one of those. So what was I barking on about? Oh, yes, the wet room. Indirect light comes from a window in the roof, which is a good idea. The bathroom is closed with a sensible sliding door. Even in the shorter 550 mf floor plan featuring a bathroom with a separate wash basin, French bed and large wardrobe, there are open lines of sight, which is ideal for your dog to keep an eye on you. The roof guard of the new WAN TI with integrated insulation is made of fiber-reinforced polyurethane as standard. These LFI components, long fiber injection, are lighter, odorless, stable and resistant, both at extremely high and low temperatures. In the longitudinally arranged gas box, the two gas cylinders can be placed next to each other and can thus be changed easily and conveniently. However, what you really want to do is to get a refillable solution. Thus you won't have to lift heavy gas bottles at your age and risk doing your back in. If you did your back in, you would not be able to take your dog out for really long walks, and just imagine how miserable that would make your life. The vehicle's electrical system is in the rear garage and therefore easily accessible, especially when it is raining. For 2021, NAS has introduced the special model WAN TI Vansation. The Vansation equipment includes the special model upholstery winter white with modern black and white contrasts. There is also a 70 cm, 27-inch television, head-up display, rear-view camera including wiring, cruise control, DAB+ radio, all-in-one navigation system with camping software, Truma iNet system, Truma CP+ digital heating control panel, LED daytime driving lights, electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors, BWT water filter and 40 cm, 16-inch alloy wheels. Finally, I need to point out that we do not recommend NAS as a manufacturer. We have concerns about the quality of the vehicle and the financial standing of the company. We accept no responsibility if you buy a NAS vehicle and it proves to be defective, or if the company has financial problems once more after you have paid a deposit. This is now the end of this presentation, and if you have not done so already, you must give this video a like. I am getting absolutely fed up with having to go and see people who dislike my videos in order to dissuade them from doing it again. I am a nice friendly dog, and giving people a right biting is not in my nature. The reason why my breed has been banned from 24 countries is because of people saying nasty things about us. If I catch anyone saying anything nasty about my breed, I will give them a right biting. The emergency services have enough on their hands rather than worry about people who gave my videos a thumbs down. So do the right thing, give the video a thumbs up and write in the comments section, who is a good girl then? Woof, woof.